Abaana batayire mu stock farm Mbarara aho bashangira ente ezagemirwe n'omubazi omwaka ogwire kandi na hati tizikazaho engoha yona baguma Director General ahabwa NARO nashobora aho bahika obwa hati no kukora vaccine egi kandi nekiri kuza kukorataho.
At this institute we conducted one of the most important antique vaccine field trial and has revealed very exciting results, and the outcome of the results from this trial have now been granted permission by the National Safety Committee under the Uganda National Council of Science and Technology to move to the next level, and that is the National Drug Authority, where we are going to present a dossier of what is called conditional market access.
We can do what they call integrated tick control, meaning you reduce on Akadirisa, you use Akadirisa but you reduce significantly. Then you use your vaccine.
Rwampara batwara bintu bitakushana, batwara rusachi bakora bitoke, rusachi bakora bihimba, rusachi bakora umuntu, rusachi bakora umunte, antique vaccine y'umukura, rusachi by'inyanja.
Bagumana ajangu bahereze kutunga bihandiko ebiro kubekereza kutwara vaccine egi ombarisa abandi.
And we received favor and clearance to move to the next level.
Very good.
Now following that study and following that decision, NARO is now writing what is called a conditional market access.
Gasha kwa Adolf Ayoreka.